into Jeepers Creepers somewhere back off in there.
You can teach me how to do it again.
Wrong turn. Go left. Look at the big old birds, y'all.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna teach you how. That's goose, man.
Y'all running straight to him. Listen, Nene, wrong way.
What up, Tube? Back with another one.
Come back. Damn it.
Get you to the park.
Next
Which
way.
way? That way? Y'all going to the birds?
Look, next we got a boxing video.
Oh.
Then we got another video. And he gonna teach me how to do a backflip on the ground again.
You just got to remember, I ain't got to teach you. They fall.
I do it into the pool again. I do it into this lake.
Girls, where y'all headed?
Everywhere. Our vlogs be everywhere.
If I knew how deep this was, I'd do it into this lake.
That probably ain't that deep. You probably damn near bump your head. Look at this woman.
That's somebody's boat. That look like a boat, huh? Eat it, Eminem.
Look at the ducks, y'all.
Quack, quack.
No, it ain't that deep.
I know they will too. Here you go.
What's up, man? Man, was down. Was down. What up? Man, I ain't scared, y'all. What up, man? Man,
Don't do that, dude. Don't do that.
Why you do them to them ducks, man?
Huh?
Why you did it to them ducks?
Oh, we should have brought some bread, man. We need to tell Mama to come up here and bring some bread. Come on, boys. Dude. You do not abuse the animal.
I slapped that duck.
Hey, but about chase us to the
Say I won't.
What that is way back there?
Huh?
What that is way back there?
Where?
Oh, that's something taped off back there.
Oh, goodness. I can't feel my ankle.
I really have a break. Right. So
Y'all need to what?
what happened to the camera thing?
What is the camera thing?
Oh.
Oh.
Y'all can get anyone.
Right, and then the girl that said she was really pretty.
Stop!
Like her little hair.
Stop!
Oh, Lord. Hold up.
Just keep walking.
Come on, boys.
That's not a bird.
What is that?
A goose?
I'll kick this dookie on you.
Oh, we can feed this to them. Well, you gotta tie me up.
Let me get on your back.
Let me get on your back.
Roll through the park. Hey, what is this park called? What is this park called, Mom? What is this park called?
Listen.
Mom!
You down bad.
What's her?
Dollar, are you not embarrassed?
Not really. She just need help. I just tell people she's specially retarded.
Hey, I tell people he's daddy.
And he say, I know he is.
Right.
Oh, look at that piece of shit.
Oh, man.
Like a horse or a cow.
They talking, they walking towards us. What y'all want to do?
What down?
What y'all want to
down?
do?
Man,
You
what
on
down?
that bitch?
That's why your neck like, disrespect.
I got this blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Nico, stop fucking with them girls, bro.
I didn't hit them.
So?
I didn't touch
Oh,
them.
God, the mosquito.
We'll be back.
Oh, got a lot of mosquitoes.
Hey, y'all.
What?
It's right there.
Yeah, you can open back that camera.
Oh, y'all want to go off the trail?
Let's walk through here.
Can we go off the trail?
Let's walk right here.
Go, listen. Can we,
Babe, what you doing?
can we go off the trail?
No, it's actually got a trail right here.
Can we go?
Y'all want to go?
Yeah. Should I record?
Is it up? No.
I ain't coming.
Cut off?
Uh-uh.
Go in there. Okay.
It's
Come
crazy.
on, man. Let's scare them
Let's we can turn this into our vlog.
I'm good.
Oh, what y'all gonna talk about, E-boy?
If I want to.
Like, get real now.
Get with the program, sir.
Don't wait 2020. It's 2021.
Right. Just skate with it.
Dollar.
Right. And the girls.
I'm getting next to it.
Wait a minute. What the fuck just happened? Where we at? All right. I'm be up here with y'all.
Adventure with Nene and Alyssa.
And you got me there.
Thanks.
I know.
Look at me. Right, let me hold it. So I can.
Soul. Yay. Soul train.
We left them behind because we
Oh,
don't
look.
Y'all, should we jump into this ditch?
That'd
We
be,
got a ditch.
that'd be
I don't know if
mad
y'all see-
fun.
But should we jump in now?
That'd be mad fun.
I don't know.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's a little scary. Hold on.
It's a little sketchy. Hold on.
Y'all,
let
what
me-
if somebody pop out? What if somebody pop out?
So, gotcha.
It look deep. So one day we should come here with our friends. But anyway, we're in this forest.
Forest concoction. Hopefully we don't run into nothing dangerous. Hopefully we do.
Yeah, we don't want to see no wild animals, you know.
Right.
We're being white people at the moment. It's a little fun. It takes a lot of energy.
Give off very much Michael Myers.
Oh, so they called us back.
Cause they
I
wanna
think
be,
we've gone a little far.
cause they want to be lame
Parents,
and siblings.
I think we've gone a little far.
Let me see this.
Or maybe going around. Yeah, they're cutting up at the moment.
See, look. You guys see it? So like this statue is falling off of.
One of the ruins like that.
That's the people we're walking with. Our parents and brothers.
We not supposed to be right here?
No, you good. I'm just geocaching, man. You good.
Oh, okay, okay. You be.
It's
a
an oak trail.
It's a whole trail.
Yeah.
I guess.
Oh.
I'm just looking for the cash.
What cash?
No, geocache. It's not like money. It's
Oh.
like it's like a treasure hunt. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I heard that out.
Download the app.
Yeah.
I'm about to.
Yeah.
Okay.
I heard that out.
What is it?
Geocache.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. Cause I'm scared of heights. Y'all can't play with me like that.
Come find one with me. You can. Come on.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Dummy.
Y'all done messed up out Y'all. I wanna go. I'm scared.
Nico, what he gonna do against us?
No, I'm scared.
Stop being a little
I need you to watch your step.
He probably leading us to a trap.
They got too many leaves out here. That's what you don't understand.
If we find some hillbillies, we'll teach you to them.
No.
Right.
Mama,
Ain't no kind of traps out here.
I told Nico if we find some hillbillies, we'll lead him to them first.
Y'all ain't been through what I've been through. I've been through the woods, running the hole, came way up to my damn neck.
You know what?
Yeah, back there by Melvin house.
What did you say?
Oh no, don't go to find the clues now. That's somebody's necklace.
Okay, but
I'm on my book, folks.
Is it a
Don't
better
you get
thing?
scared now. You gangster.
Right. Nico said he a blood in the crib. They ain't scared of him walking in the woods.
no, I'm from Oakland.
You see what's down there?
Dollar, get your woman.
Can I keep this?
Get the camera, Dollar.
No.
Behind you.
Can I keep this
I don't
on?
need him doing nothing.
Yeah,
first.
just keep it.
Mama, can I keep this? Oh, it's like a step.
Get the.
No, go.
It's like steps.
Yo, this is legitimately fun.
I shouldn't have walked.
Hiking with the fence. Wait, y'all, I got a question. How we gonna get back up here?
Exhibit 8. You finna fall in that cave right there.
I should have recorded it. Oh my god. You can't down like that.
I know.
Oh my god.
I ain't say y'all come down here because there's not nowhere to get back up on, please.
Oh, Lord. If something come out that water.
The camera.
Come on, let's
Come on.
I told Nico, come on, little bit.
Come on. Listen.
You got it?
We gotta go buy some tennis shoes.
You go this way. Oh my
Got on
God.
brand new shoes.
You see how I'm
Me
saying?
too.
I told y'all to put on them ugly AF ones.
I thought it was just a
Right, he should put on the AF ones.
around the park.
I thought it was a snake.
He hiding.
He trying to pop out. What you need to say?
There's something dealing with that. I want to do that though. If y'all get serious and we put on our headlamps and stuff, we can do it.
Look at the lake down there. Oh my God.
Do stay on trail.
Georgina. Oh, there go the man right there. Come on, let's.
Mama was talking.
What's down there?
Woo, oh. Lord, my hat just flew off.
Y'all better be careful.
Mom, we got this. That's a what? It's a what?
Y'all come back.
This is like some KKK stuff down here.
We got a trail. Come on. This looks like
I said somebody man made that. Yeah.
Up that
Somebody
way?
was sleeping right here.
this too.
I ain't going nowhere. I'm scared of heights.
well, I mean,
Somebody was camping.
I think you're okay. I mean, if you don't want to. But I tell you what, I did not know it's had this all the way back here.
Me either, man. This is like awesome. Look at that down. It's like a well or something.
Nah, I let fire pit.
Yeah. Somebody was standing back here.
Somebody probably does like a little shelter, I don't know, but
They're going to let pee right here.
you guys do a little bench you can sit down on, you put a street over around it. You can
We can
look
go
out
on
that
this
way.
trail together. Excuse me.
Get down, son. You don't do that all that. Come on.
Yo, look right here.
This way. Dude, come on now.
Girl almost fell.
Come back this way. Put it down. You doing too much. I'm about to go back.
She got to be a party pooper.
Lele, yo, stop. Ain't nothing this way.
Ain't nothing this way. We're going to keep going the trail that way. No, ain't nothing that way.
Mama, ain't nothing.
Ain't nothing that way.
Come on.
They got another trail.
No, come on. Hammond is white.
Oh, it's so much fun in other places. Why we gotta stay in Louisiana?
Right.
Especially Hammond, Louisiana.
That's why I can't wait to move to California.
They got another trail right there, dog.
No, we
Y'all
don't.
want to take a picture of it?
No.
Imagine somebody actually slept right
Take
here.
my picture then.
I got you, man. Somebody actually slept right here.
Yeah. It's 30.
Oh, sturdy with it. Oh,
Who else taking a picture with me?
woo.
Wait.
This the woo tube. Oh, Lala, what?
I got them all. They weren't even paying attention.
Come on, y'all. I'm trying to take this trail. Y'all being invisible. It's a whole lot of niggas in this fuck.
He did better than what he did on that phone. The tongue.
Yo.
What happened?
This smell like a poop or something.
This smell like onions.
That's a wild onion. Yeah, that's a
Yo,
wild onion.
I found an onion.
What if you get some? Ah.
Yeah, Mom, it's an onion. It got berries and stuff.
Come on, y'all. Can we walk, please? I just like.
Messed up the shoes.
I really like walking.
We're going back.
Clean them off with a toothbrush once we get back to the room.
That way it get pretty steep. You know I ain't going.
Oh, come on, mama.
I'm scared of heights. I don't care. I know I'm be okay because I ain't going
I
to.
used to be afraid of heights, now I'm not no more.
You say that way get steep?
Yeah.
He said she gonna be okay. He said
Right.
not too bad.
You can see the real to live here.
Right. She gonna be all right. Hold on your back, darling. I mean, listen. Oh, that onion smelled like an onion. Listen, it's a wild onion. What do you want? Just smell like grapes? Oh, it's strawberry. Strawberry. I feel a bit of luck. Remember, can't cut. Can't, you know, you can't. Girl.
Stop going so far ahead. Act like y'all from here.
What is this?
Kind of
What is this?
scary. He just cautious a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I pay that. Turkey with the white people.
Right. We're gonna move in with some adventurous white people. Because these black people ain't it.
I think this is the end of the trail.
I hope it ain't. I want to keep walking.
No, it's
Nope, this the hill. See got one way right there. Look at camera.
Oh, we can go down.
We going down or that way? We got two ways.
Y'all, which way y'all want to go?
Oh, come back, dude.
This
Mama.
one is better.
Which way?
We can go back.
Come on, Ma.
We gotta go see what Mama and Tanisha want to do anyway,
We
y'all.
can walk like a little bit farther.
A little
Just a
bit.
little bit further.
Mama, you just
Which way?
Ain't nobody scared.
This way.
Let's go this way. To the,
food like y'all going.
Ain't nobody going to no shit food.
Wait for me, what's up? Ooh, yeah, get that. Oh, it's a whole lot of people.
Yeah, I gotta remember, I had a broke ankle. I can't be doing all this.
You remember, Nikki? You remember.
That was Nene.
Oh, don't play like that. I was finna grab it.
Whoa, she scared me. Oh, that's Ivory.
It's in my boots. No?
I think so.
Come back, y'all. Look around.
Why can't we just
Come
look?
make the loop.
Yeah. Oh, he's signaling something, I think. Dude, shut up. He using that little map trail thing. Leave that man alone. We should have came down.
Come on. Ain't nobody about to be stupid with dollar. Come on.
I'll be stupid with all of
Me too.
He really found some. Dollar, he really found some.
Y'all ain't got dollar to see on the other side of the room.
No.
Not really about. Stop walking so fast, so you gonna just leave us like
Can you pull this off my never mind.
Y'all, I want to survive a horror movie now.
Me too. But we can't survive her with mama because she gonna be too scary.
Ma, wait up.
Okay, she gonna be the one in the horror movie that die first. For the
Right.
Trying to run off.
So, I be the one that makes
No, you're gonna be the one that die.
What he was looking for on
A gun.
all of a sudden now.
the yeah. Oh, your mama got the phone at work.
Ma, download the app.
Shit. No.
Oh,
Y'all, we gotta go.
What my ankle?
Just running into us. And now that we at the end, he found what he need. Y'all need to hurry the fuck up and let's go. Y'all
She-
stay back
she
there and
like
be
2
stupid
minutes
and smile
hard.
if y'all want to.
You like 2 minutes horror movie.
Oh God.
Like, we found some niggas.
Come get him.
For real, I'm kind of scared.
Come on. Nico, come back.
Ma, you want this?
What if somebody pop out? Mama, I'm scared.
Well, yeah, if somebody pop out, at least I got it on video so we can be safe.
We gotta put this.
That's why I wanted to go. It was another trail. How he got over there?
And then we like start
He got
here.
in front of us. He got in front of us. And he was behind us.
That look like a chopper suit.
I gotta focus.
That man went behind us. That man been circling us. He came out of nowhere.
Oh,
He
my
God. He found us back there. Y'all keep being stupid. Come on.
I'm listening to Nikki on this one.
Yo, if that man come out here and pop out of nowhere, I'm running.
He'll come on the corner. It's gonna be some shit out about.
Oh, I'm finna.
Ma, be careful around that corner.
Some person come over there.
Yeah.
He'll had a big old truck.
Right.
Thank you. Y'all hear it?
Y'all, I bet if we go back.
Nigga, cause they racist.
Stand up, Nico. Nico, come here.
Y'all, what's that down there? What's that down there?
The bottom of the car, come on. Nene, watch where you walking, girl.
I am. If I fail, the camera go far with me because it's on my hand.
Y'all stay close to that wall. Don't get too close to that edge.
What is all these little... Y'all see all the little signals on the tree and stuff?
You see what that signal, that first signal
That's
is?
an eye.
Yeah.
That's an eye right there.
It got an eye with a triangle over there, right there.
Look at that. Somebody tried to get up. What that mean?
What this mean?
People just probably like to walk up here.
We're over here.
Mama, you dumb. It got a bigger one.
What y'all see? Huh?
Grab who?
Grab it up.
No, this is
Grab it up. Right.
We should have went all the way to the end.
Right.
But mama got scared.
Y'all could have win. I just wasn't.
Y'all want to come turn around back go?
Go ahead.
Yeah, see, I would have had.
We go this way. This one looks more safer.
I'm gonna say this one look more safer. I think that's how he probably got over there.
Probably.
Boy, yeah.
And that man say he ain't never been out here, been making circles around y'all ass the whole time.
Bro, like, what if he really came out that over the hill?
I left the blame.
You want to drop stuff in? Look, we just
That
go.
was intense.
No, you made it intense.
Come on, let's go this way.
No, you got it.
Y'all had to think, man. That man with the digging in the ground for what? Talking about he found it. All of a sudden you found it? What did you find?
I think he threw his hand on my left side.
Who was he talking to?
You ain't going to sleep.
No, I don't want to go. Oh, no, no friend.
That man did have a phone in his hand, y'all.
He had a phone in his hand the whole time.
Y'all, where that man came from?
Yeah, I thought he looked straight ahead, come out outside. He ain't turn around and say,
Did y'all hear anybody say where you at?
No.
Okay, then.
Oh, mama. This way.
I'm not going in there.
Mom, come on.
Mama, come
No,
on.
I'm done with the trash for the day.
Oh,
All right, bye.
They're not even on the map.
Dollar, you can be the fun step parent.
She won't let me.
Mom, can we go with Dollar?
We're going in. Y'all go in, go ahead.
Dollar, she said we could
I'm
go.
not living out here.
Why?
She got Nico.
I'll go to the
my-
entrance.
Okay.
That's a bike trail.
Mom, why is the bike
What that
trail?
mean?
That means we can go.
Come
Y'all ain't got no
on.
bikes?
Joma.
If people gonna run into y'all.
Come on, bro. I want to
I'm
go.
hungry.
We can eat after this.
Yeah, after this.
We gonna go to the end of the trip. I found a coral necklace. Now, let's get on
Where's
your
the
back.
first bag?
What?
You got one of the evidence. Why are you picking up people evidence?
Look, Dollar, he was digging up.
That's y'all picking up the people evidence.
I don't care.
I'm about to be saving Nico, bro. Y'all just gonna stay there and laugh or y'all just stand.
Yeah,
Oh, wait, we got a bike.
Oh, that's cool.
right. Mama,
I'm working with him.
Are you serious, man?
I'm working with him too then.
right,
It ain't nothing but a big old circle anyway.
right.
Why ain't nothing but a big old circle?
Mama's scary.
Listen, don't tell me you getting scared too.
No, trust me.
Wait, y'all. My question is, where did that man come from in the first place?
Look, it got a thing right there for the park.
Right. Wait, my question is, where did that man come from in the first place?
That's what I'm saying.
He just appeared.
He left and went back the other way.
Right, he went that way. He
Let
gone.
me tell y'all something. That man made a circle, came back up on y'all stupid ass. He walked from when he was just at it, went back, talking about he found it. Bitch, you just passed.
Hold on.
It got mushrooms and berries.
This is a berries.
Don't touch the mushrooms that key.
For real?
But
I want to touch it.
you can use that for the fire.
I don't know that certain type.
Look, bike trail.
What that mean?
It means we're safe.
That man said that was steep, so you know he went.
Look at the sign. Molded and mildew.
Remember?
Old as hell.
He said it was steep, so he know he had it in already.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
Yes.
He's from here.
Y'all look like somebody cut
First
the
he said
trees.
when we first met him, he said he didn't know nothing about this. Y'all need to pay attention. I'm about to go back.
I feel invisible.
Man, this ain't nothing but a circle.
My socks ugly.
Look on the other side right there.
What's your name? What's your name? Somebody.
That'd be tight. Yeah, that'd be tight.
What they eating?
People.
Who got the phone that's calling somebody?
Let's keep going.
Just lock it. What's the?
Man, I want to go back over there. Walk over there.
Did he ever come out?
Mama was sick. Yeah,
No.
when we come back, what if he actually came out with some money?
See, Joe, I ain't seeing your mama, bro.
I bet if we look,
Walking to the mall.
what if we would look back on this footage, we found so many clues and stuff.
Down, down.
I feel like this is
Oh, there's a lot of niggas in the pot. Ah.
I'm gonna fit these ones out my M&M.
I'm telling you, through all the way.
What's that gonna be? They're gonna be like, who killed our dog?
Well, listen, we couldn't do it because mom wants to be scary. Right, dude?
Yeah. Oh, Nana, imagine when we get...
So what?
Mom wants to be scary.
Nana, imagine when we get older. And then we can come here by ourselves.
Girl, we sure is coming, taking that whole trail.
Right. Mom, you can tell these people mad because of...
Dude,
Hey,
come on,
people.
stay right there. You said it, man. Come back.
So, I don't know if y'all can see me because I'm a little black. But, oh, look at the dog. Look at that dog.
We got 0% for 5 years.
I said,
But
They
yeah,
out there playing baseball.
okay. Home
But
run.
we had fun, I guess.
It was fun, I guess.
Didn't they come and court over here?
I mean, it was something. Yo, that man just came out from the whole other side.
Following us.
Y'all scary.
He coming this way. Yo, look at that back there. Oh, turn around.
Watch that hole under that grass.
Look.
I seen it.
What is that?
Ah!
A mosquito flew in my house. That man is following us. Y'all seen that too?
Y'all, this
Right.
is like death documentary.
Just know
I
we
did not
love
live my
y'all.
life how I wanted.
No, I didn't get to make it to become a voice actor for anime characters or like
I
Any
died
character.
miserable.
died, yes, passed away, gone. Y'all, if you ever see us two faces pop up, could we just keep like that? If you see us pop up, just know how we died, and
Yeah.
we love y'all. No,
No, yeah, because I'm not feeling
oh my God, y'all lame.
The whole shoot to the side.
Y'all lame. That man is walking fast.
A new song.
Is it just me, or do y'all not see that man just like walking fast?
He gonna hit Dollar with that taste first.
Hit me with what?
And he gonna hit me.
Y'all, that man ain't got nothing in his hand.
They gonna close in on us. Let me get my knife.
No.
Ma, do not whip that knife out in the public.
That man, he on the phone.
I cut everything.
They also
There was some smart black people. He is staring and walking faster and faster. Y'all don't see that?
I'm telling you what he found.
Right.
Yo, I'm kind of curious on what he found.
Me too.
Yo, inside.
Man, that man got the same white clipboard in his thing and everything.
You working with us or get out.
Mama,
You act like them is real organization.
Did I tell you she watched too many horror movies?
right? Talk about some us or get out. This man following us. We gonna look suspicious, Mom. Somebody wanna.
I want to know what he found, to be honest.
Y'all, that man gonna be like a horror movie coming like I know that. He was like, hello, guys.
That's the chicken shit for real.
This man walking fast.
Let's chill right here. Let's chill right here.
No.
Come on, Mom. Y'all, Dollar, we finna chill right here.
Let me take a picture of y'all on the benches.
Come on.
Come and tell us what he found.
Oh my God.
It's our last photo.
I feel invisible.
Photo disappearing.
So are they gonna disappear?
Come on, now.
Oh, he wasn't following us.
No, he only doing that because we sat down and keeps looking at him.
He ain't finding us. Go. Mama can't even take the picture
It's
right.
on the phone, I'm telling you. You probably found it.
Mama. She got it. Wait, you got it? And look.
Oh, shit.
What if he had his head turned towards you looking?
How he get to that parking lot over there that fast, walking that slow?
Y'all, he gotta go get.
You ain't gotta go.
Mom, what was the name of that app? Download it.
Geo something.
Geocache?
Yeah.
Staring in the blank pictures are you open up the I don't know the rest.
Y'all know what we died in.
See, I told you.
Stop touching
Put on
me.
your phone.
It's really lit out here, yeah. Yeah, dude.
Oh, okay.
Man,
Why don't we do the metal thing? We need to go get a metal thing.
lit out here, cuz.
It starts. You
You really must out here, cuz.
I know you must start.
Boy, you was musty. Look at you. What you got on? Look at y'all. Y'all look homeless.
Yeah.
Boy, if y'all move.
stop. Come on.
Disgusting.
Whoever did this, mama gonna die.
I thought it was crap.
cry and die.
Oh, they saw nice.
Is it gonna restart over? So it's not gonna save the video we just made? Okay.
No. I mean, if we got pictures, we can see at the room.
You probably gotta use that.
We need to go get a room somewhere for a week. That way we can go dip off and spend the night in the trail. But the trail's got to be on the map.
That's why you get a map.
The trail was on the
That's why
map.
you get a real map.
Stop hitting that boy. Stop slapping the shit out you and then aggravating y'all.
Why you gonna slap?
Hey, guys. You got
Can we go to the park?
You in the park.
Move. Beat. Beat.
That man gone.
Right.
That
We
man
about
found
to
what
go
he
see that
found.
not
And
answering.
he gone.
Turn the blank picture for you. Open up the dirty window. Some hunger shaka laka loo.
Oh, Ray, that's a dope player.
Man, look what you did my top of my shoes. Why you turn around looking at that white man watching where he going and shit?
The car right here.
Oh, shit.
Car right here. Ooh, don't get the license plate.
Open the trunk.
You got no real clothes, Mom.
You want to go to the room and see what we get ready to eat. Don't stand right there. Nico, get in the car this time. Let this sit back there.
Come on, Mom. Oh,
Getting in the car.
No, I need
we vlogging while we in the car too.
Not too big.
That's why I need you in the back.
Oh, my Jesus.
Made it in the car, guys.
Get in.